Dr. Edwards, tell me 5 things that you do different now that you're a holistic dentist.
Oh, great. Okay, let's do it. Fluoride. Fluoride is not in my office anymore and not even in my life. Fluoride is a neurotoxin, and it is a hormone disruptor, and it lowers your IQ, and it really does nothing for cavities. Number 2, mouthwash. No. We don't use mouthwash. We can use oil pulling, but mouthwash actually decreases the good bacteria that are in your mouth that are responsible for nitric oxide, which is in turn is responsible for vasodilation and lowering the blood pressure. Number 3, metal fillings. We don't do any kind of metal in my office because metal, especially mercury, when you chew, causes your body to decrease in hydrochloric acid. Therefore, you have the disrupted gut microbiome and cannot digest food properly. Not only that, it's a neurotoxin and messes with your brain. And let's see, airway is the foundation for most of all the things. You don't brush too hard. Nobody brushes too hard that causes dimples. That's from an airway issue from clenching and grinding. And number 5 is that biofilm is not just a hygiene problem. So no, it's not because you haven't been brushing that you have some plaque buildup, but it could be because there's a mouth breathing disorder. Let's use mouth tape. And it could be because that your diet is not indicative to a good bacteria, so that sticks to the teeth.